Hello everyone. Now I want to say something to you. I'll teach you something about my homemade aquarium. This one. This is our homemade aquarium. Some small fish are swimming here and there to and fro. And made this a week ago. And now my small fish are still alive. And I'm so happy to see this beautiful fish. And they will take every each of them, and I'll eat them, and I will and I'll sell them to this one also. This one also is my fish. This one is nearly is dying. This one little one, you see, this one is dying. Uh, but both of them are still alive and they are in health condition. They are in good condition, and I feed them every day. And I always bring water through this drip pipe like this. So the water here will change every day. Automatically, we have no change of water. There's no change of water by doing like this. So it make me easy to change the water. I just fill it out from the top one that bottles. I fill water there, and it will supply the water to all these two bottles that contain fishes. And I hope you will enjoy my video, and you will try yourself to do like this. Use this pipe, this big bottle, big can, like this plastic can, and you will find that all your small fish will live happily and without any dangers, but they are healthy like this. There's both these fishes now almost here in the bottle for more than a month. So I hope we'll do the same, and after 2-3 months, both these fish will become bigger and you can take them at your diner. Thanks.